Did you know in this world, everyone has floating skill trees above their heads showing their real abilities? Imagine seeing someone's cooking level drop from 50 to 30 after they burn toast, or watching a parent carefully plan their baby's skill build like a video game character. People would spend weeks grinding small talk just to unlock advanced conversation options. You'd literally see someone's charisma points disappear during awkward dates. The rich would hire power leveling services to max out their skills overnight. Meanwhile, others get locked out of dream jobs because they don't have enough skill points in the right areas. Your morning routine becomes an experience point farm. Brush teeth plus 1 hygiene. Make coffee plus 1 cooking. Every action calculated for maximum gains. Dating apps would show skill levels instead of photos. Job interviews would be pointless since employers can see your exact abilities floating above your head. The worst part? Everyone constantly judges you based on your visible stats. No more hiding your weaknesses or pretending to be good at things you're not.